Good morning, Lord. Thank you for another days that you are giving to us. Thank you so much talaga. Thank you. Good health now and forever. Nationwide, worldwide, to the different countries, to the different people in this world. Thank you. Thank you so much for the support. For the all viewers, not viewers, subscriber, not subscriber, supporters, not supporters, that you are belong in the different countries, that we are not the same nationalities, that we're still living in this earth. Thank you so much. God bless us all and more blessings. Thank you. And now is go back to school. This one is staff porcelain, and they are given back to school na si Sisi. And the summer is almost finished. That one. Okay. You see? Thank you. Say thank you, Sisi. Thank you to the company that is giving. Thank you to those people that you are giving to Celine for her back to school in the new name of the school also. So some mga Baghdad people here, that to all madams, you can visit in this shop, and you can order anytime as of what you can. That one is inside. Later I watch. Yesterday, last night pala, they are making a photo shoot, this one. Okay. So once again, I say thank you. Thank you so much. Thank you for another day, Lord. Thank you. Thank you so much. Thank you. Saan ba yung dapat natin yan na to? Bye-bye, and God bless us all. More blessings to all. To all angkan, both side of my nanay and tatay. To my only brother, nieces, mga apo sa tuhod, mga sister-in-laws, mga cousins, relatives, angkan to angkan sa home island ko. All of them that are already part on the different social medias. So keep safe, more blessings, keep it up for our individual journey that we are still living in this earth. And to those mga co-workers ko as OFW, and some blogger that you are still helping to me from the beginning and until now, and you know who you are, and God provide everything wherever we are, that we are belong in the different countries also. And some blogger that you are already you have already successful in your different channel that you have. God provide everything, and God we are with us, to all of us that were living in this earth. And thank you to my employer, to the family of Madam and Sir, their friends, and Sisi, and our future baby come here in the house. And thank you that you are giving me the more blessings that you have to share with me, madam. Thank you so much, and thanks for everything that we are all peoples that are living in this earth. Okay, thank you all subscriber, not subscriber, viewers, not viewers, supporters, not supporters. God bless us all, and more blessings, and good health now and forever. Amen. Bye. Happy Wednesday to Lubas.